That man say what's up, drink up in my cup. Never ever get enough of this game I be playing. When I come through, man, I always be praying. Got up on my mind, yeah, you know I gotta shine. And I'm taking my time, never ever quit. Don't give a shit, man, I gotta be the shit. When they come around, yeah, you know they get hit. Everything I do, man, I stay so true. Do it for everybody else in this world. Do it for me so we all may see. Man, we all good, man, we all real. We live together and we be a damn family. If we could just stay in this damn real good, man, you know we would have shit real good. Our family would not be scared. I wouldn't walk around the street, people talking shit. I'd be so good. I chill back in the chair and just go up my prayer. Man, I gotta be, man, I gotta see. Going all day, man, I gotta make them free, so I ain't gon' flee. I'ma stand here, I'ma stand tall, yeah, you know I'm about to ball. Playing the game, something else like football, cause that's what I got the call. Now you know what, man, I'm something like a player. That I done told you I'm a motherfucking slayer. No, I do care, man, I be a messenger. Throwing up words there, I do it for the South, where we keep it real, cause we say keep my name out your mouth unless you my homie. Know what it is, man, you know we ain't no phonies. Calling up my homies just to let them know that they ain't alone. Man, I feel the stress, man, I feel the press, and I'm always so stressed. Playing with my team, gotta be the dream, man, I'm going all day. I'm the motherfucking dean, behind the scene, and you know I ain't no scene. Man, I got skill, man, I thought I told you, I'm a damn soldier. Even if I get hit, I'ma come back, I'ma motherfucking kill it. Ain't gon' quit, getting up my pride, getting up my mind, just so I may get back out there and fuck them bitches right up. If they talking shit, just come right here. Don't give a fuck, just keep on fucking talking. Try to tell me that I ain't the one. Come around here, try to do what I do. I'ma tell you what, man, you can't fucking do it. I was chosen as a motherfucking kid. I'ma tell you now, I ain't no motherfucking skid. And if you want it, I'ma pop off the lid. I know what it is, man, I'm going up above. Man, I'm cooking in the stuff, man, I'm going so rough. Man, I thought I told you I ain't even buff. But I got hard and I ain't gon' do nothing else with this thing but change this damn game. Man, I put it in range, say fuck them haters. If they wanna talk shit, they can burn it in hell. Don't give a fuck, man, I ain't gon' fail. Cause this game, yeah, I never will bail. Getting game over, chill a Range Rover, till the day's done, man, I ain't getting stoned. Even though I'm getting back and smoking on my blunt, man, I'm still getting stoned, cause that's all I know. I'm a little fucked up, but I gotta change it. So right up and I keep it so blue, just so we may not be sick. Man, I'm trying to find the trick, I'm trying to find medicine. It's so fucked up how we act like this. Man, we all chilling in this game with a sick mind. Know we gotta shine and look behind them damn scenes like a damn movie screen. Man, I'm staying lean, playing for my team. Thought I told you, man, I gotta be the dream. And I'm going something else, make them light bulbs pop. When I come through, yeah, you never gonna stop. You gonna call me Pac, call me the doctor, call me the rocker, and call me the soccer. Man, I ain't no barker, man, I'm a hitter. Thought I done told you, man, I don't ever litter.